Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to the channel, I guess. This is my MK8 GTI that I just purchased about 2 months ago, and I'm wanting to do content on it just so I can have, like, you know, some documentary of the car and its progression, etc., which is I don't know, kind of the key thing for me, trying to have fun and like look back on everything that I've done for it, and hopefully give some content to you guys who have a MK8 or are looking to get into one, and just show you guys what's up with it, how the, you know, different mods go with it, how the tune feels that I'm gonna get soon, and just basically everything about the car, you know. Just trying to show you guys some good footage. Hopefully this footage isn't like fucking dog shit and the audio isn't shit. I have a mic that I'm trying to fix to work, a Rode mic. We'll see if it fucking works today. If not, that shit's getting fucking returned. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy I guess this content I'm gonna bring you guys. So yeah, as I said, I think I got this car about 2 months ago. It has around 3,100 miles on it. So far she's been fucking lovely. I did get a check engine light, but it was because of the gas cap. I'm pretty sure that was fucking loose in the car somehow, even though I didn't get gas for like 3 days, and it still fucking showed up as a engine fucking light like 2 days later. But that's all good, you know, it happens. So for this channel, yeah, basically I'm gonna be getting a exhaust soon for the car. Well, I already had, it's on order, but it's on back order. It should be here in like a week or two, and it's a Miltech exhaust. I'll show you guys like the fucking breakdown of everything and how to install it, etc. I have a lift I'm gonna borrow, so it'll be fucking 10 times easier, but of course you can do it without that. I'll definitely be doing mods without the lift because I don't have the shop fucking always. And also I'll do some footage of just installing it and shit. Yeah, I'm just trying to, you know, do some videos for the car and just get some fucking footage of it. I'll definitely probably not get outside footage today because this shit's fucking disgusting. But when I clean it this weekend after I get done with this fucking week of work, I'll do some rolls and everything, etc. But yeah, just let me know if the footage is decent enough. If the audio is fucking trash, I'll probably look into it and see what's up with it. But let's do a fucking pull real quick. Oh shit. Fuck. That's kind of mid. It's all good though. But yeah, that's basically it. Have a great one, guys. You know, I'll see you in the next video.